Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the rest of the recipes in Heartopia for the Call of Whales Fashionwave event. So to find them, they're actually with Massimo. I just didn't buy the recipe because I didn't know it was there. But I'm just going to head underwater here and I'm just going to go to Massimo. Hello. Okay. So basically, you're just, oh my gosh, can that chat go away? All right. So go to the cooking store, and if you scroll down, there are these new recipes. We have the sea grape and shiitake chawanmushi. So I thought it wasn't going to be there, but it's actually here. We also have the wakame meatball soup, as well as the grasswort and shrimp fried rice. I'm not sure that you'll be able to sell it to user. I'll probably check that out. So you do cook them in the normal stove. So I'm just going to go back to land. Here's just a quicker way to go to land, by the way. Just go to like concert and press go. And I'll be back once I'm at my house because my house is pretty far. Then I'm just going to go to the like normal stove and you'll find the recipes here. So you'll need 2 sea grapes, 1 mushroom, and 1 pasteurized egg. But we're going to make that. You'll need shiitake mushrooms as well. And then for the second one, hold on, let me just cook this first. All right. And then for the second recipe we got, it is the Wakame meatball soup. Where is it? Oh, here it is. You'll need 2 of the wakame seaweed as well as 2 beef for that. Then we have the, okay, let me cook this first. Do I need to press it again? Okay, I don't think so. There's one more, the fried rice. You'll need the patty and then 2 glassworts and 1 shrimp. So I'm just going to start cooking that as well. I do need more of the common prawn because I'm starting to run out. Also, why do I have this ear equipped? I think I did that on accident. But they're all pretty easy to cook. So we have the chawanmushi, super cute. And then we have the, what? Oh, wakame meatball soup, as well as the fried rice. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Oh, I did forget if we're able to sell it. I think you can see it in the... Okay, I have to go to Uzo first and I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't think you're able to sell those foods. It's just for you to cook, I guess, and have it in your collection. So if you are grinding for something, for like the items here, don't cook these foods, but just buy the recipe first. Anyways, for Massimo, I think those are just new recipes anyways. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!